Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today I'm going to be doing something a little different. It's going to be a photography video on how I take portraits of myself. I was really inspired by watching some of these photos and I just really wanted to get into it. And yeah, so lately I've been in a creative rut where I ran out of things to do or just something creative for me to be excited about. And as a creative person, I feel like if you're not creating, you feel like you're losing your touch or your ability to create. And for me, what I like creating is works of art through photography. And yeah, so this is really a lot more for me. It's for me to feel like I need to do something creative and something I'm excited about. And yeah, it might not be the best video because I'm not really good at explaining or having to ever show my photography side. So just bear with me, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up so I know that like in the future, if I do have like an idea like this to share with the creative process on it, let me know. Now, with every photo shoot that I do, I feel like the creative process starts with the makeup. I just feel like it helps you get into character. It lets you know it's not an everyday look, it's just for something creative. And I go in with a lot of bronzer and a lot of highlighter and my eyebrows, which are the main things I think for me for the look that I wanted to go with. So I'm gonna do some little finishing touches like the earrings. What is that? And I only have like 2 earrings in my possession, and this is one of them because I don't really have like a thing for earrings. Like, it's gonna be hard for me to find an earring that like I wouldn't mind wearing all the time. So the look what I wanted for this shoot was a little bit more dramatic, but this first setup, as you can see here, it was too dramatic, too many shadows. So for this second look, the setup, I kind of brought the light source a little to the front, but then as you can see here, I lit my body too much, so it's too lit. So in the third setup, I went ahead and I brought the light source a little bit more behind and I dimmed it a little. That way I had more of a split lighting, and it's the look that I went for in the end. Now here's the process of taking the photo that I wanted, and I do smoke a hookah, so I don't recommend you smoking something if you don't already smoke to get photos like this. But yeah, I hope you guys like it.